Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush the Discovery Boss, and welcome to the Rush for More Reviews. So today we are on Wellington Drive and Monroe Road, checking out a new apartment complex, the Wellington Rose. That's a picture right there. So this recently started, and first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like, comment, and share the video as well. And definitely stay safe in this time of the coronavirus. Maintain your social distance and stay sanitized as well. So we are here, Wellington Drive, just giving you the first review of this complex, video number 1. I recently did a video of that apartment complex over there. I think it's called W20, so you guys can check out that video as well. It's like 200 meters away. And then we have this one right here as well. So the construction is pretty new. We see that Zeta Construction is the company. Let me know your thoughts in terms of location, guys. Let me know your thoughts in terms of the final look, because we are seeing a picture of the final looks, at least we know from now. We see NCB is the financial institution as well. Alright, so this is the first video, so yes, a lot more video will come for sure. So that's the final design. So it's the Wellington Rose. Then we have a nice community over here of Wellington Drive, and some beautiful multi-level houses in the hills. I think Andrew Owners house is somewhere up there as well. So we see Monroe Road heads into Liguanea. And then this is the new construction here, the Wellington Rose. And it's right outside of the Wellington Glades, which is this apartment complex. Alright guys, so not a very long video, because it's a new construction, not much to show right now. Just giving you guys a highlight. And again, definitely leave your comments, like and share. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the support. Remember to subscribe, and see you on another video.